Okay, sometimes we need to make a quick connection inside something where we might already have other wires connected to something, and we just want to tack in a new wire. And so it gets a little difficult if you try to wrap everything around and hold a bunch of stuff all at once. So sometimes we can tack solder. So we'll just take a regular piece of wire like this and we'll strip the end of it. Now this is just bare copper. And so we want to tin this. I'm just wrapping the some rosin core wire solder around the wire. And then I'll heat this up and I'll tin this wire. Make sure that's all clean and shiny. Don't shake the solder or anything or move it or while it cools. You want to let it cool all on its own. And then whatever you're soldering to, make sure it has fresh solder on it, like this switch here. Has a nice fresh coat of shiny solder. That solder is real shiny. And so to tack solder it, I'll hold this wire against this and then I just heat this. I try to heat the thickest, heaviest thing first, and I hold this and don't let it move as it cools. And now I should be able to pull. I can pull really hard on this, and I'll break the switch if I pull on this wire. But I have a tough time pulling that wire off, and that's the quickest and easiest way to make a connection, but you have to check the connection to make sure it's mechanically solid when you pull on it.